I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork stew. First, ensure your pork shoulder is cut into uniform 1.5-inch cubes for even cooking. Next, chop your aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion into bite-sized pieces. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready before you start cooking will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This initial preparation is key to building a flavorful foundation for your delicious stew. To build deep flavor, begin by browning your pork cubes in a hot pot with a couple of tablespoons of oil. This creates a rich crust. Once browned, remove the pork and add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the same pot, sautéing them until they become tender, about 5 minutes. Then, deglaze the pot with a half cup of red wine or broth, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. This step is crucial for a robust stew. After browning and sautéing, return the pork to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth, along with your favorite herbs and spices like bay leaves and thyme. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the pork is incredibly tender. Finally, create a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a little water, stirring it into the stew to achieve your desired thickness. This ensures a rich, comforting consistency. Just before serving, stir in about 1 cup of frozen peas and a generous handful of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Allow them to heat through for just a few minutes. Your delicious, comforting pork stew is now ready to be enjoyed. It pairs wonderfully with some crusty bread to soak up all that rich sauce, or alongside creamy mashed potatoes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.